Let's take a look at these USB-A to USB-C cables with 90-degree connections. These cables are a great solution when you need a short charging connection without having long charging wires tangled or hanging in the way. This package includes 3 USB-A to USB-C cables. Each one is about 6 inches long. I especially like using one with a portable power bank because I can keep both the power bank and the phone together without having to deal with that excess long cables. And the cable is compact enough to carry conveniently in my pocket, a travel bag, backpack, so it's really portable. Because of the 90-degree angle, the USB connector sits closely against any device, and that helps prevent the cable from sticking straight out and uncomfortable to hold. And it also doesn't have any of that bending that will happen with the cable sticking right out. Nylon braid itself is durable, and the aluminum connector housings provide additional reinforcement. Overall, the short length, the reinforced braiding, the aluminum construction, and especially the right angle design make this a convenient charging cord for charging hubs, power banks, travel, any way that you want compact connection. And for that reason, for me, it's a definite gotta get.